Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Choptown Cripper to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptown Cripper, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots from Knapp's Narrows Bridge to 7 nautical miles southwest of Plum Point, moving southeast at 30 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland, Choptown Cripper to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptown Cripper, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Waterspouts can develop suddenly and can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous waves. Seek safe harbor immediately. Wind gusts of at least 50 knots. Locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
The 1 p.m. observation in Baltimore at BWI Airport, partly sunny skies.
Wow, really wasn't expecting that. Well, okay, well that's it. Goodbye.